how to text chat in Roblox on PS5. So here's what you want to do. Just load up the Roblox app, and once we have the app open, you want to go and click on the three dots in the top right. Then we have to go into settings here. So just click on settings and make sure that cross-platform play is enabled. So click on it and make sure it's enabled. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is go back, and then I'll just open up any game here. So let's play Brookhaven, for example. You want to open up the game which you want to text chat in. So give it some time to load here. The game is gonna load just like that. Alright, and if you want to chat, what you're gonna do is press the options button here on your controller. It's probably not gonna focus, but the options button here, if we press it, then you will have the option to chat. Click on chat, and here you can say anything in the game itself. Click on done after you're done, and as you can see, I just said hi. So that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.